Okay, so we wanna take advantage of our water heater. We wanna perhaps cook inside with the stove. And in order to do that, we need to open our propane tank. So this is where the magic begins. And we'll go ahead and open our propane tank, and then we'll go inside and fire up our water heater. Okay, so we open the propane tank and we want to take advantage of our water heater. And in order to do that, it's very simple. All we have to do is actually turn on this switch right here. And then after a few seconds, you are going to hear a click. And that is actually our propane water heater in the back that is igniting the flame, and that's going to warm up the water. Alright, so that is very simple, and like I said, after a few minutes, usually it takes around 10-12 minutes to warm up. Boom, there it is. I just heard it. There's the click, the ticky, the tick noise, and that basically means your water heater, it's going. And after a few, we're gonna be able to enjoy the water, the hot water on this sink as well as in the shower. Alright, this is how you operate the water heater.